Welcome back to my channel. Green snakes, with their vibrant coloration and fascinating behavior, captivate reptile enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. If you're looking to dive into the world of green snakes, YouTube offers a wealth of content ranging from educational documentaries to personal encounters with these beautiful reptiles. Here are some of the best YouTube channels to explore for high-quality content about green snakes. Brave Wilderness, hosted by Coyote Peterson, is renowned for its thrilling wildlife adventures and educational content. The channel features several episodes on green snakes, offering close-up encounters and insights into their natural habitats. Highlight video: Up close with the smooth green snake. A Coyote Peterson handles a smooth green snake, providing detailed information about its behavior and habitat. Snake Discovery, run by Emily and Ded, focuses on reptile education and care. Their channel is a treasure trove for anyone interested in learning about different snake species, including various green snakes. Highlight video: The Secret Life of Green Snakes. This video explores the habits and habitats of green snakes, including their diet and breeding behavior. The Wild Report, hosted by wildlife biologist and educator Nathaniel Coyote Peterson, provides engaging content about reptiles and amphibians. The channel offers detailed explorations of green snakes in their natural environments. Highlight video: Finding Green Snakes in the Wild. Nathaniel embarks on a field expedition to locate and study green snakes, sharing his findings in an informative and entertaining manner. Clint's Reptiles is dedicated to educating viewers about the care and keeping of reptiles. Clint offers a scientific yet approachable look at various snake species, including those that are green. Highlight video: Green snakes, are they good pets? This video discusses the pros and cons of keeping green snakes as pets, along with care tips and requirements. Paul Cafaro's channel focuses on vlogs about his life on a farm with various animals, including reptiles. His content often features his personal experiences with green snakes. Highlight video: Catching a green snake in my backyard. Paul shares a spontaneous encounter with a green snake, capturing his excitement and observations. The Reptile Channel offers a broad range of content on reptiles, including in-depth documentaries and care guides. Their videos often feature green snakes, providing comprehensive information on these reptiles. Highlight video: Green Snakes of the World, an in-depth documentary exploring different species of green snakes, their habitats, and their roles in the ecosystem.